Sprint selling is a great methodology which sets global standards and local adaptation. Every salesperson can take the best of it for their own needs, so that sales, marketing, finance, operations, everybody speaks the same language. And each team, each person is Ingenico, each colleague can take the best for them and apply it to their own situation.
This is a fantastic opportunity, a fantastic platform for sharing and bringing together not only our salespeople, but also our solution experts, operation, R&D, and even finance and marketing. Our people were very passionate. They gave us a lot of energy during the last 3 days. But it's just the beginning. We got a good momentum, and now we're going to continue with additional classes and courses that we're going to offer them in the following months.
The sprint selling session here in Singapore would definitely help the APAC sales community understand full ownership of their specific account management and also for opportunity management. So this will make life a lot easier managing initiatives.
Firstly, it's about the pain train. That is one tool that can help us. How can we understand the pain from the client? How can we understand the structure of the client as well? And we need to have 6 critical skills that can help us be quite confident to go in the meeting with the client. How we can handle objection is one of the very important things.
After this training, I would like to improve my proposals that can be tailored for every stakeholders in the organization so that I can speed up customers' decision-making process.
As a finance person, unlike the salesperson, I sometimes face the internal objection because we are under the same company, same business strategy. We work together to aim the objectives. Therefore, the empathy must be in place, and then I need to question back what is their KPI, what is my KPI, and we work together to achieve it.
It's truly an excellent learning experience. I believe that through this process, we will be able to develop a DNA and consultative approaches across the organizations.
This session actually helped me to give me a little bit of the technique to equip myself, to formulate the questions, to prepare for the meeting with the client.
Value creation helps me in my role with a repeatable methodology to create bespoke solutions and services for our customers.
This sprint selling training has been a very fruitful session. One of the key learning takeaway from this sprint selling training is the collaboration plan. It's actually a co-creation model where we work with our partners and customers to actually come up with that plan. So it basically helps with more transparency and more commitment from both parties.
So there are a few ways that I think I'm going to take it back when we go back to real life. We are part of the Startup In program where we work with fintechs and we want to bring them to market. So what I really loved about it was the differentiation grid to be able to drive customer value and how we can position the program compared to other programs in the industry. I think painting the picture is one of the key takeaways for us at the program. The future vision that you can actually showcase to the startups, I think that's pretty critical for the program.
We have learned about the 4 P's for questioning and the objection handling. It will help me in evaluating my opportunities objectively, also to understand the customer challenges and to align our value proposal along with that.
The APAC team were just amazing in this workshop. I think the energy they showed throughout 3 very busy days was so uplifting for somebody like myself and for Gunter to be involved with a training experience where people just bought into the concept without any hesitation and really threw themselves into all of the work that we asked them to address.
Absolutely amazing. A mix of culture, a mix of people. Everyone was totally dedicated to the task. We worked hard, but at the same time we had fun. And the team showed great results in the activities that we've done. So outstanding experience for us as an instructor.
Excellent.
Eye-opening.
Reflective.
Intense.
Wonderful.
Informative.
Energetic.
Refreshing. Excellent learning point.
Enriching.
Hugely rewarding.
Power.
APAC is the first region where we roll out sprint selling. We're going to roll out sprint selling all across Ingenico. We're also going to reinforce some of the key topics through conferences, through specific trainings, and through our internal tools, with the purpose that everybody within Ingenico speaks the same language across functions. We can look forward to many things. We can look forward to having sprint selling all across the world. We can look forward to having deep dives on some of the important topics. We can look forward in aligning our tools, our processes with a common vocabulary. It's great to see all people we have and all colleagues we have from all APAC being here together. It was great learning, great engagement, and I hope it was also a great experience for you.